Hey there guys, welcome to another video. This is the unboxing and the review of the free JBL headphone that I got with my laptop, the Pavilion X360, which review will be coming soon. So let's get into it. Yeah, so this is the HP Enhanced Experience headphone, which has a built-in microphone. Now this might look like a gaming headphone, but to be honest, it isn't a type of gaming headphone. It's just a headphone with a mic that might impress you. So it has a headphone adapter that turns into a 3.5mm combo. It has an impedance of 32 ohm and a sensitivity of 1008 decibel up to 1008 decibel. So this is the packet. Let's just open it quickly and tell you the details that they're inside. Seems like the headset adapter has been stuck. So let me open everything and I'll show in details the what everything is there. So this is the headset adapter that they are giving with this microphone. It doesn't come with any other microphone I've seen, but this one's they're giving. So the wire is tangible, not a untangible wire, and this is the headphone jack of 3.5mm, which is gold plated. Quite nice though. Now coming to the headphones, the main set. The ear cups are plus and large enough to fit your ears. Some earphones doesn't have adjustable bands, and this has an adjustable band. And surprise, 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 there's a microphone. This microphone actually works well if you consider it as your gaming headphone. It won't depress you, but it fails to impress. The HP branding over there and some ventilation in case your ears become sweaty. So keeping that aside, we move on to the headset adapter. That's a very new thing that HP has given us to in this box. Let me just quickly untangle it. So this is the 4-pole TRSS female headphone adapter jack, and here it is the microphone. As you can see, the icon is imprinted over there, and the earphone whose icon is also been imprinted over there. So what it does is you can separately plug in two ports. For example, the you plug in the main headphone jack into the female port, and you separately pin out or separately plug in the two earphone and microphone plugs into different machines. So this was a quick unboxing and review. For the review, the sound quality is average, not so good, and the bass is okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like our channel for more information.